Top 20 Healthy Drinks. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Top 20 Healthy Drinks. So make sure to watch the full video. 1. Water. The body needs water. Prevents dehydration, constipation, and kidney stones. Plus, it's calorie-free, making it the best drink for your waistline. Adding 1 to 3 cups of water per day to your diet can help you consume less fat, salt, sugar, and 200 calories per day. Too easy? Calorie-free flavors are sweet but may contain artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. Try squeezing citrus instead. 2. Filtered coffee. Coffee has previously had a bad reputation, but studies show that coffee prevents type 2 diabetes, liver disease, and heart disease. May reduce the possibility of, as long as you don't use cream and sugar. 3 to 5 cups a day seems healthy. However, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, ask your doctor how much you should drink. If you have high cholesterol, brew your own beer with a paper filter. It removes a substance called kafstol, which can raise LDL cholesterol levels. 3. Tea. Also, unsweetened beverages are low in calories. Whether you like it hot or cold, the healthiest variety is to braise at home. It does not contain added sugar that may be present in bottled tea. 4. Milk. A storehouse of nutrients such as calcium, vitamin D, and potassium that keep muscles, teeth, and bones healthy. And his cup has more protein than a large egg. Look for low-fat options to get more nutrients for fewer calories. Some non-dairy kinds of milk, such as soy milk, oatmeal, and almonds, contain the same nutrients as cow's milk, but at lower concentrations per serving. 5. Soft drinks. Low on nutrients and full of sugar. People who drink alcohol once or twice a day may consume more calories and gain more weight. They are also more likely to develop type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other health problems. 6. Soda. Yes, it is low in calories, but may not be the best replacement for regular soda. Diet drinks have been linked to health problems such as type 2 diabetes. And over time, some experts believe artificial sweeteners can trick your body into wanting more calories, which can lead to weight gain. However, if you're trying to cut back on regular soda, the diet version can help you switch to water and other healthy drinks. Switching from regular soda to diet soda can limit the amount of diet soda you drink each day. 7. Soda water. This provides a bit of carbonation without the calories or artificial sweeteners of soda. But beware of flavored seltzer drinks with added sugar. And carbonated water is different from soda water, which contains sodium, and tonic water, which contains sodium and sugar. 8. Energy drinks. High amounts of caffeine are equivalent to 4 to 5 cups of coffee, plus other ingredients like guarana, B vitamins, and ginseng that claim to give you an energy boost. Most of them are also high in sugar or sweeteners. You can make a short leap in agility, but don't believe the hype about more energy and power. What you're really getting is too many calories and too much caffeine, which can cause odd heartbeats, anxiety, sleep problems, and digestive issues. 9. Fruit juice. 100% fruit juice contains most of the original fruit's vitamins. However, all fibers are excluded. Without it, most of what you get from juice is a natural sugar called fructose. This adds calories to your diet without filling you up. A glass of unsweetened juice for breakfast or snacks is fine, but it's best for children and adults to eat whole fruit and limit juice intake. If you just enjoy the taste, add a few drops to a glass of water. Avoid juices with added sugar. 10. Smoothies. If you have trouble getting enough fruits and vegetables in your diet, smoothies can be a great solution. They contain vitamins and fiber. But a typical store-bought one contains nearly 400 calories and 75 grams of sugar. Instead, make homemade, flavored yogurt, and don't add sweeteners like honey or agave. Affordable fundraising. Sports drinks. The electrolytes and sugars in this drink make it ideal for athletes recovering after an intense workout. But if you haven't finished an hour-long sweat session, you should skip that drink. Many people have almost as much sugar as a can of soda. All your body really needs to recharge is water. 11. Different smoothies. Smoothies can be great for your heart if you use the right ingredients. If you have a sweet tooth, start with dark-skinned fruits like blueberries or pomegranates. If you like something sourer, try green lemonade. Get the most benefit from a blend of superfoods like spinach and chia seeds, rich in heart-healthy omega-3s. Like juices, smoothies are a delicious way to add a healthy treat to almost any diet, as long as they're made with mango or banana. 12. Plant-based milk. Dairy milk is an option for everyone. Some people cannot eat or drink dairy because they are allergic to it or cannot afford it. Some people choose not to do this because of their own needs or health conditions. You don't have to eat dairy to have a heart-healthy diet, but if you don't, it's important to eat other calcium-rich foods. Vegetable milk is derived from foods such as legumes, also known as legumes, nuts, seeds, and grains. Some examples of plant-based milk bowls: soy milk, almond milk, rice milk, oat milk. The amount of nutrients in these milk bowls varies with oats. It is also called fortified by adding ingredients such as sugar and adding nutrients such as calcium. 13. Hibiscus tea. Choosing plant milk instead of dairy milk is not always a good idea. If you choose to drink plant-based milk, it's important to look at the nutritional information panel. Choose one with added calcium and no added sugar. Hibiscus tea is an acidic beverage made from the flowers of the Hibiscus sabdariffa plant. Polyphenol antioxidants are found in high amounts in hibiscus flowers, and hibiscus extract lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that drinking about 8 ounces, 250 milliliters, of hibiscus tea daily improves blood flow, lowers blood pressure, and reduces inflammation compared to drinking plain water. 14. Citrus water. Fresh citrus slices in water can be good for your heart. Citrus fruits such as lemons and oranges contain many beneficial nutrients and plant compounds such as flavonoids and essential oils. One study found that drinking lemon juice daily may help lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. 15. Precautions. You must drink well for your heart to work properly. To keep your heart healthy, you need to eat a healthy diet full of nutrient-dense beverages. Choosing a heart-healthy beverage that contains healthy fats, protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants is a great way to manage your overall health. Treat yourself in a delicious way by adding some of the drinks above to your weekly menu. If you are allergic to any of the ingredients, do not hesitate to contact your nearest physician. You can also talk to your doctor about creating a nutritionally enhanced healthy eating chart to help you stay healthy. 16. Green tea. Green tea has been known for its health benefits in Asian countries for centuries. Americans have only recently received a memorandum. Many people know green tea as a healthy drink that hydrates and soothes the soul, but this drink has far more benefits than you might think. Green tea is rich in polyphenols that are thought to protect against certain types of cancer, such as breast and prostate cancer. Research suggests it may help reduce blood sugar spikes after a meal, which may be particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. Enjoy warm and smooth green tea with lemon and thyme. 17. Beet juice. Wondering why you should include beets in your diet? The health benefits of beets are enormous, starting with the fact that they're a potent source of folic acid, magnesium, and nitrates. Our bodies convert nitrates into nitric oxide, which lowers blood pressure and improves blood flow. Some studies suggest that this is a great pre-workout meal for endurance. Grab your juicer and make this sweet and healthy drink. 18. Kombucha. What is kombucha? This elixir is one of the most popular health drinks on the market. Healthy lifestyle enthusiasts rave about the health benefits of kombucha. Like other healthy fermented foods, effervescent kombucha contains probiotics that promote healthy bacteria in the gut. These bacteria aid in digestion and help the body absorb vitamins and minerals. Discover our favorite kombucha brands in our latest tasting test. 19. Coconut water. The taste of this tropical water is a bit contradictory. Some love him, some hate him. However, no one discusses the fact that this healthy drink can hydrate your body and provide a surprising amount of potassium. Potassium plays an important role in maintaining a healthy heart rate and regulating blood pressure. If you like soda, try this fizzy coconut water. This is one of our favorite health drinks. 20. Cranberry juice. This spicy juice is loaded with antioxidants that help prevent heart disease and some cancers and promote urinary tract health. Cranberry juice is sour on its own, so it is mixed with sugar or other sweeter fruit juices to get the full health benefits of cranberries. Look for varieties that are 100% juiced. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.